Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make Penne Arrabbiata, or tomato sauce with chili. Very, very simple, not many ingredients at all, absolutely beautiful. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients, very, very few of them. Pasta, so I've got penne pasta. Traditionally you'd use penne for arrabbiata. About 250 grams of cooked pasta there. 1 can of tomatoes, plum tomatoes, 1 onion which I've sliced, tablespoon of garlic and some chili flakes there. I've got like 2 teaspoons, but you can adjust that to how spicy you'd like it. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper. That is it, it's beautiful. Okay, so this could not be easier. I've got in there some olive oil. We're heating it up. We're on a medium heat. We're going to drop in our sliced onions. We're going to add our garlic. We'll let this go for about 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so our onions and garlic are coming along really nicely. Simply, we're going to drop in that can of tomatoes. We're going to add our chili flakes, black pepper, salt, and we're pretty much done. Now if you want, you can break the tomatoes down. These are whole plum tomatoes. We'll let this go now for about 5 to 6 minutes on a just above a simmer, not a simmer, but just above. Very, very easy. Okay, as you can see, we've got a really beautiful sauce now. Time for our pasta. So, like I said, I've got like 250 grams of pasta here, which I'm going to get in and get this mixed into our sauce with the heat on for about just another 2 minutes. Then we're ready to go. And there you have it, so simple, beautiful, easy tomato pasta with chili or arrabbiata. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, please click that bell icon below for notifications. We will see you soon. Lots of love.